Hey guys, Tech Control with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your AirPods Pro with your iPhone 15 Pro for the very first time. So let's get started. So in order to connect your AirPods with your iPhone, first thing is make sure your AirPods are charged up, both the case and the pods themselves. And once you do that, you'll make sure your Bluetooth is on your iPhone as well. All you do is pop up the lid and a menu like this should pop up when they're close in range. And then all you'll do is hit that connect option. And then on the back of the AirPods Pro is this button that's flushed against the back. You press and hold to verify that that's the AirPod that you want to connect to, and the connecting process will begin. And then you can set up things like Hey Siri by following the menu, and then any customization around announcing calls and notification, you can set that up. And you can pretty much click on it, customize it, or whatever you like, and then personalize spatial audio, this feature that allows you to scan the geometry to improve spatial audio. You can set that up, and after you have set it up, you are good to go, and your AirPods are ready, all set up. You can go into your settings of your iPhone, go into Bluetooth, and you can see that the AirPods are connected here. You can click on the eye icon to get more information around noise controls and much more information, and then also customize any settings that you need to do in order for you to make the most out of your AirPods. So that's how simple it is to connect your AirPods with your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.